A very good morning, class. So, as you all know, we have already started with our secretarial practice, chapter 4, and the name of the lesson is Documents Related to Formation of a Company. We have covered quite a lot on the very first document of the company. So, a quick revision at the introduction part of it. At the time of incorporation of a company, the following documents have to be submitted to the ROC, that is Registrar of Companies. And the name of those two documents are Memorandum of Association, MOA, and Articles of Association, that is AOA. A public company, if it is collecting capital from the public, must issue prospectus. So when a company is planning to collect or issue its shares to the public, at that particular time, it has to publish a document which is called as prospectus. So we'll be learning about it in our further sessions. Recently, we have finished with the first document, that is Memorandum of Association. And we have finished the introduction part. What are the features? What are the contents of Memorandum of Association? Also, we have finished what are the 6 different type of clauses which existed in Memorandum of Association. So, a quick revision of that: the name clause, address clause, and object clause. Then recently we finished liability clause, subscription or association clause, and capital clause. So we had a guest, Mr. Boss Baby, who explained you all very well what is a capital clause. So up till now, if you haven't seen the video, I request all of you to go and see the previous video before hearing this one. So today we will be starting with the second document of the company, that is AOA, also called as Articles of Association. Now, to give you all a small introduction, Articles of Association consist of too many things related to the management of the company. तो मतलब कंपनी का इंटरनल मैनेजमेंट जो भी है, it is looked after by AOA. Whatever rules, regulations exist, how the internal management of the company will be done, organized, managed, that will be looked out as per Articles of Association. So you can see the diagram over here. It is connected to the rights, powers of directors, anything related to share capital, general meetings, which is the meetings of the shareholders, liaison on shares. We'll be seeing what is this particular topic in our further slides. Auditing of a company. Auditing means checking of accounts. Conversion of shares into stock, forfeiture and surrender of shares, transfer, transmission of shares, voting rights and winding up of the company. तो मतलब कंपनी का A to Z पूरा working is included in Articles of Association. So let's begin with the introduction part. Now, if you have gone through the previous videos class, therein I mentioned Memorandum of Association को अगर आपको meaning याद रखना है, तो it is PP, that is primary document, and it shows the purpose why the company is formed. Now, if you have to remember Articles of Association, you can remember the smart code SR. Notice SR. S stands for second most important document after MOA, and R stands for rules and regulations for internal management of the company, जिसको अगर एक standard word दिया जाए, so it is called as bylaws. So basically class, if you have to remember the meaning of Articles of Association, so it should be SR. Second most important document after Memorandum of Association, and it is related to the rules and regulations for internal management of the company, which is called as bylaws. Now, Articles of Association not only defines the relationship between company and its members, but at the same time, it also represents the relationship between the members. So I can say the Articles of Association defines the relationship between company and its members. तो मतलब internal management हो गया, company और उसके members में क्या relationship है. And at the same time, what about the relationship between the members? Means members amongst themselves, shareholders, the MD, the CEO, the manager, the subordinates, the employees. In सब का relationship भी is defined in Articles of Association. So I hope you all followed the introduction part of Articles of Association. So let's have a quick look at the definition of Articles of Association. So as per 5 of Section 205 of the Companies Act 2013, articles means the articles of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of any previous company law or of its act. So basically articles of association is that document जिसमें changes होता है या originally frame किया गया था from time to time depending upon the amendments in the act. That is the document, a legal document which defines the internal relationship between the company. Thus, you can say that articles is a legal document in writing which contains rules and regulations related to internal management of a company. Now, as every company may be managed differently, the Companies Act 2013 does not specify the exact contents of the articles. Now, every company का articles of association will be different because your internal management होती है companies की. That is also totally different. It differs from one company to another. Now, all the companies cannot be of the same nature, right? The Companies Act 2013 does not specify exactly what all contents should be there in the articles of association. It depends from company to company. But the regulations given in the articles should not exceed the power of the company as laid down by the memorandum or contradict the Companies Act 2013 or any other laws. There is no specific format which is given, but it should not cross the powers. हमने देखा था ना ultra wires. The company should not go out of the rules and regulations which are given in their memorandum of association. ठीक है ना? Otherwise, if you're contradicting, then that will not be considered or allowed as per articles of association. Okay. Moving on and continuing. The following are the contents of articles of association. As I told you, there are so many things involved in or covered under articles of association, starting from the number of directors, the share capital, the general meetings, lien of shares, transfer, transmission, surrender, forfeiture, auditing, voting rights, winding up. So no worries class, इसमें से अगर आपको कुछ topics bouncer भी गया है because we'll be covering each and every topic in detail in our coming slides. So after all, you got a view that memorandum basically पूरा बोलते हैं ना zoomed version है, आप ऊपर से देख रहे हो, you're capturing with the help of a drone. मतलब क्या ओवरव्यू है. एंड आर्टिकल्स अगर मैं बोलूं तो गूगल का जीपीएस मैप है, मतलब एक एक रास्ता जो आपको हर एक रास्ते हर एक कोने कोने से एक एक चीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाता है. यू नो ना, इफ यू डिपेंड ऑन जीपीएस और ना गूगल, वो कोई भी रूट ले लेगा जो आपने आज तक देखी भी नहीं होगी. So that is articles. And what is memorandum? दो ऊपर का व्यू ड्रोन से या हेलीकॉप्टर से या एरोप्लेन से जो आपको शहर का व्यू दिखता है. So basically if you see memorandum, आपको दूर की इमेज दिखेगी कंपनी की कि क्यों बनी है, किस लिए बनी है. बट जब आप आर्टिकल्स देखेंगे then you will come to know कि इतने बड़े एरिया में कितने रास्ते हैं, कौन सा रास्ता किधर से जाता है, क्या क्या चीजें हैं. So that is what is covered in articles of association. Now, this information we studied when we were studying memorandum of association. उन्होंने company wise tables sections बनाए हैं. Like table A is for memorandum of association with company limited by shares. Table B is memorandum of association of a company limited by guarantee and not having the share capital. Table C was memorandum of association limited by guarantee and having the share capital. Table D was memorandum of association of unlimited company and not having the share capital. Table E is memorandum of association of an unlimited company but having a share capital. In the similar manner, same table is being specified for articles of association. So a company is free to include all or any of the regulation which is there in the model articles as applicable to the company. As per the Act, articles must be signed by all the subscribers who have signed the memorandum and give all their details like name, address, occupation in the presence of at least one witness who shall sign and attest the signatures and also give his details. So the same type of method has been specified for articles of association as well as per Companies Act 2013. So the act has given the following model articles based on the type of company. वहां पे A, B, C, D, E था. For articles it is F, G, H, I, J. The entire thing remains the same, but in place of memorandum of association, here model articles is written. तो पहला company as you can see is company limited by shares. दूसरा is limited by guarantee and not having the share capital. तीसरा is company limited by guarantee and having the share capital. Then model articles of unlimited company having the share capital and model articles for unlimited company not having the share capital. So what's the difference between both? खाली वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे कर दिया, बाकी entire pattern of the information of the model specified given as per Companies Act remains the same. All right. So moving forward with the topic, now let's see what all contents are there in articles of association. जैसे हमने memorandum के contents देखे थे कि उसमें 6 clauses होते हैं. Public company में there should be 7 subscribers, private में 2, for OPC 1. Then it should define the purpose of the company. It should define the relationship of the company with the outsiders. है ना? All these contents हमने memorandum में देखे थे. Same, now let us see what are the contents of articles of association. So बार बार आप ये image देख सकते हैं, at least you can see कि वो किस तरीके से अलग अलग रस्ते हैं जो included होते हैं articles of association. So let's have a quick look. So the articles of association usually contains rules and regulations related to the following matters. So number 1, as you can see, share capital. अब जब मैं शेयर कैपिटल की बात करूं, if you have gone through the previous video class in that there was capital clause and there was somebody who introduced it so nicely that I hope you all followed the topic very well. So shares क्या होते हैं, their value क्या होता है, how they are divided into different types of shares. So last time we studied that shares are basically divided into 2 types, equity shares and preference shares. इक्विटी शेयर्स मतलब जो खुद के शेयर्स होते हैं. प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स मींस दोज हु आर बाइंग द प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स विल बी ऑलवेज गिवन फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस. कंपनी का अगर कुछ भी प्रॉफिट डिविडेंड का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आए तो उनको पहला प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा. नाम में मीनिंग है ना. एंड व्हाट इज डिविडेंड? इट इज नथिंग बट द इनकम यू गेट, द रिटर्न्स यू गेट व्हेन यू बाय द शेयर्स. Then you have rights of each class of shareholders and procedure for variation of their rights. So what are the rights and duties and powers of the shareholders? वो सब mention होता है articles of association में. Procedure relating to allotment of shares, making of calls and forfeiture of shares. Allotment means shares देना, allot करना. Making of calls, calls means you will be not calling them on phone. Calls मतलब you'll be giving the orders के I require the money right now. Now for example, मान लो आपके पास 3-4 शेयर होल्डर्स है, हर एक ने अलग अलग शेयर्स खरीदे हैं. Now for example, if person A is buying 20 shares, ठीक है, person A ने 20 shares खरीदे, person B ने 40 shares खरीदे, and you're selling your shares at 10 rupees each. ओके, एक शेयर आप 10 रुपए में बेच रहे हो, तो पर्सन ए ने कितने पैसे ओ करने आपको? 200. So he has to give you 200 rupees because he has buy 20 shares of your company. Person B is buying 40 shares at 10 rupees, so that means person B has to give you 400 rupees. Now it's not compulsion कि 200 और 400 रुपए आपको on the spot मिल जाए. So मान लो कि पर्सन ए ने आपको सिर्फ 100 रुपए दिए हैं, 100 रुपए पेंडिंग है उसके. Person B has given you 200 rupees and 200 is pending. So making of calls means you will tell these people to pay this money to you whenever you need it. So whenever you need it, you make calls, not phone calls, but you give an order. So it's an order by the top management to the shareholders कि भाई we require the money, please pay the money of your remaining shares, whatever you haven't paid. No worries class, ये मैंने shortcut में meaning बताया है. In detail we'll be covering in our previous slides forward. फोर फीचर का मतलब कैंसिल कर देना. अगर आपने टाइम पे पे नहीं किया, बहुत टाइम तक आपने लटका के रखा है, लटका के रखने को बोलते हैं आउटस्टैंडिंग. मतलब आप ड्रैग कर रहे हो, खींच रहे हो, नॉट एबल टू मेक द पेमेंट. सो एंड ऑफ द डे आपकी मेंबरशिप क्या करनी पड़ती है, कैंसिल करनी पड़ती है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फोर फीचर ऑफ शेयर्स. सो दिस ऑल विल बी कवरिंग इन ब्रीफ इन आवर कमिंग सेशंस. So are you clear? Basically, it consists of share capitals related, rights and powers of the shareholders, everything related to cancelling of shares, allotment of shares, payment of shares, all that is covered under articles of association. And why it is covered over here? Because main articles का काम is internal management. Company के अंदर का पूरा management is covered in AOA. Then you have rules relating to transfer and transmission of shares and the procedure to be followed. तो ये भी हम detail में पढ़ेंगे. What is the difference between transfer and transmission? Lien of the company on shares allotted to the members for the amount unpaid by them. Lien, next slide में उसका meaning आएगा. Then I'll explain you. Increase, alteration or reduction of share capital. So again, if you want to increase, if you want to reduce, if you want to change anything, all that related to share capital is covered under AOA. Moving forward and covering the topics. Now pay attention. धीरे धीरे अभी topics थोड़े technical होते जाएंगे. So it will be little bit of technical words. So please pay attention. Appointment, remuneration, power, duties, etc. of the directors and officers of the company. So as I told you, shareholders के नीचे वाले जो board होते हैं उनमें से वो लोग representatives elect करते हैं. Those elected representatives are called as board of directors. तो हमने देखा था ना joint stock company में owners are different and managers are different. Management of the company is done by BOD, board of directors. तो उनका अपॉइंटमेंट, रेम्यूनरेशन मींस सैलरी बेसिस, पावर, ड्यूटीज, all these things will be mentioned in AOA. Procedure for conversion of shares into stock and vice versa. Provisions related to the board, committee and general meetings, voting rights of the members, proxy, quorum, poll, adjournment of meeting, etc. So now actually you all are entering into the corporate world wherein such words are used very commonly. तो जैसे मैंने तुमको बताया board meetings means it will be meeting of board of directors. Committee, board of directors के अंदर छोटी छोटी और committees बनते हैं तो उसकी meeting. As you can see in the image, एक एक committee को बुलाते. जैसे in college you take for example, there is one committee of teachers who is looking after exams, तो exam committee. कुछ teachers को एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज के लिए बनाया जाता है. सो दैट इज फॉर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर. स्पोर्ट्स कमिटी यू कैन से, एनुअल डे कमिटी यू कैन से, है ना. फिर एक कमिटी स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड होती है. सो सिमिलरली इन ऑफिसेस आल्सो डिफरेंट कमिटीज आर फॉर्म. तो उनकी मीटिंग करना. जनरल मीटिंग एज आई टोल्ड यू इज द मीटिंग ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स जो ओनर्स होते हैं कंपनी के. वोटिंग राइट्स ऑफ द मेंबर्स. Proxy. Now usually this word you will be hearing in colleges as well, right? Proxy period क्या होता है? अगर कोई subject teacher absent है तो you get that period free and some other teacher comes, right? That is called as proxy. Same connection corporates में होता है. If a person, a shareholder is not able to attend the meeting, so he can send his proxy. बट प्रॉक्सी को वो अधिकार नहीं है जो शेयर होल्डर का है, तो उसके बिहाफ पे वो आके मीटिंग अटेंड कर सकता है. उसको प्रॉक्सी बोलते हैं. कोरम. कोरम का मतलब होता है, ये आपने 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सिविक्स में पढ़ा होगा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कोरम? नहीं पढ़ा, नहीं याद तो सुन लो. कोरम मीन्स मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल शुड बी प्रेजेंट. अगर एक मीटिंग होगी तो Now, for example, if you go in any theaters, I'm giving you just an example so that आपको समझ में आए. थिएटर में भी आप सुबह का पहला शो जाओ 9 बजे का और पिक्चर ऐसी वैसी हो, ठीक है, किसी दिन मूड हो गया, कॉलेज नहीं जाना, बंक मार रहे हो, ऑलराइट, एंड सुबह 9 बजे का शो है. सो इफ यू गो इन एनी थिएटर सुबह सुबह, नाउ देयर इज नो पब्लिक ड्यूरिंग अ वीकडे, आई एम टॉकिंग मंडे टू फ्राइडे की बात कर रही हूँ, एंड बाय चांस देयर इज हार्डली विल फाइंड सम पीपल जो सुबह 9 बजे उठ के पिक्चर देखने आते हैं. सो कंसिडर यू आर वन ऑफ देम, ऑलराइट, एंड मान लो यू आर ओनली 4 to 5 ऑफ योर. तो जब तुम टिकट लोगे दैट पर्सन विल से शो का कंफर्मेशन नहीं है, बिकॉज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन पब्लिक कितना आ रही है. मिनिमम अगर 10 लोग रहेंगे तो हम शो चालू करेंगे. सो दैट मिनिमम 10 लोग का मतलब वो कोरम है. सो कोरम मीन्स मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ पीपल दोज हु आर प्रेजेंट शुड बी प्रेजेंट फॉर अ मीटिंग. अगर एक भी बंदा प्रेजेंट नहीं हुआ तो मीटिंग विल बी कैंसिल. Understood? So it is the minimum requirement. मिनिमम मतलब कम से कम उतने लोग तो चाहिए. पोल मीन्स कंडक्टिंग वोटिंग. वो एक टाइप ऑफ मेथड है वोटिंग का, वोटिंग बाय पोल. सो दैट वील सी लेटर ऑन. एडजॉर्नमेंट ऑफ मीटिंग. एडजॉर्नमेंट का मतलब होता है पोस्टपोन करना. मतलब टुडे इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल सो आई विल पोस्टपोन इट, पीछे ढकेलना. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एडजॉर्नमेंट ऑफ मीटिंग. So I hope अभी आपको कुछ आइडिया आ गया होगा वर्ड्स का. So literally now I am telling, little by little the terms will be becoming technical. तो आपको बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है लेक्चर if you want to really understand the topic. Then you have audit of accounts. जैसे मैंने बोला था audit means inspection होता है, checking होती है accounts की. Transfer of money to reserves, declaration of dividend, etc. Declaration of dividend means dividend is given on shares. Borrowing powers of the company and the mode of borrowings. Issue of share certificates including procedure for issue of duplicate share certificate, etc. When people are buying the shares, आजकल everything is done electronically, तो आपको ये physical form का maintenance का जरूरत नहीं है. But previously when there was no online trading of shares of the company, buying and selling जब online नहीं था, at that particular time when people used to buy the shares, उनको प्रूफ के तौर पे क्या दिया जाता था? एक शेयर सर्टिफिकेट. नाम में मीनिंग है ना, सर्टिफिकेट जैसा दिखता है कि ये बंदे ने इतने शेयर्स इस कंपनी के खरीदे ये डेट पे. सो एवरीथिंग वाज गिवन इन डिटेल इन दैट. तो उसका इशू, उसका प्रोसीजर, बाय चांस ओरिजिनल शेयर सर्टिफिकेट इज मिसप्लेस्ड तो डुप्लीकेट इशू करना, all that procedure is covered in articles of association. Constitution and composition of audit committee, remuneration committee, corporate social responsibility committee, etc. is covered in AOA. Then you have provision for winding up of the company. Winding up means company बंद करने का time आया तो what is the procedure? Arbitration, indemnity, all these topics are covered in articles of association. Now, as I told you, there was one word, lien on shares. Now, what do you mean by lien on shares? Lien on shares means company has right of possession of shares till the member does not pay off his debts or liabilities to the company. तो एक एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ, सुन के ले लो. Now consider Mr. A has bought 1000 shares. 1000 shares खरीदे हैं and one share costs 100 rupees. ठीक है? I'm repeating it again. Pay attention. Mr. A has purchased 1000 shares of a company. ठीक है? And the cost of one share is 100 rupees. तो Mr. A को कितने पैसे देने हैं कंपनी को? 1 lakh. Now class, 1 lakh is not a small figure. Correct? 1 lakh बहुत बड़ा amount है. Now for a company it may not be because उनका capital ही करोड़ों में होता है, but still 1 lakh is a big figure. Now Mr. A has only paid 10,000 rupees to the company. तो अब Mr. A को कितना पैसा लौटाना है still company को? 90,000 rupees. Now 90,000 is not a small amount, correct? तो इसका मतलब है 1000 shares भले Mr. A ने खरीदे, पेमेंट नहीं किया है ना, पेमेंट इज स्टिल आउटस्टैंडिंग. सो लियन ऑन शेयर्स का मतलब है भले 1000 शेयर्स मिस्टर ए के नाम पे है, बट एक्चुअल पोजेशन किसके पास है? स्टिल कंपनी के पास ही है। और कब तक रहेगी? until and unless the full 90,000, या उल्टा होता कि भाई मिस्टर ए ने 90,000 दे दिया है, 10 पेंडिंग है, देन ऑल्सो ओके, तभी पोजेशन ए के पास होता, बिकॉज अभी थोड़ा ही अमाउंट रहेगा। बट यहाँ पे सीन उल्टा है, he has just paid 10,000 and 90,000 is pending. So भले नाम ए का है, उन्होंने खरीदा है, बट एक्चुअल पोजेशन किसका है? कंपनी के पास ही रहेगा, कंपनी के नाम में ही रहेगा। So got it? What is the meaning of lien on shares? तो lien on shares का मतलब है the right of possession. Possession मतलब हक, ownership. अभी भी किसकी है? कंपनी की है, because huge amount is pending from the shareholder. So till the member does not pay off his debts or liabilities to the company, जब तक कम या 5,000 या 2,000 ऐसे छोटी रकम नहीं आती, तब तक पोजेशन किसके पास रहेगा? It will be with the company, ownership. भले नाम एक का होगा कि मैंने खरीदे, but still main owner will be the company. That is called as lien on shares. So all these topics class are covered in AOA. So the second most important और कंपनी का अंदर का डिटेलिंग ब्रीफ में कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट में दिया होता है? आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन. Now articles of association of a private company must contain 3 restrictions. Now when a private company is making its articles of association, there must be 3 restrictions, and let us see what are those 3 restrictions. Restriction number 1, limit the number of members till 200. So this we have already seen that private company में the membership should be limited and restricted, and it should be 200 maximum. So this we have already seen a minimum though, maximum 200 people. The second one is restrict the right to transfer the shares. मतलब the shares in a private company are not easily transferable. That is from one person to another. Restrict to invite the public to buy its any kind of securities. A private company cannot buy shares from the public. So these are the 3 restrictions which the articles of association of a private company should keep in mind. So quickly class, tell me the limit number of members will be 200, restricting the right to transfer the shares, and restrict to invite the public to buy any kind of its securities. All right. Okay. Now entrenchment of articles or entrenched articles. Now let's see what is entrenchment का मतलब. Entrenched articles are those articles or provisions which cannot be altered by passing only a special resolution, but a more elaborate procedure as prescribed by the act must be followed. Now articles of association कंपनी के, हर कंपनी के डिफरेंट होते हैं, बट अगर आपको कोई चेंजेस करना है, ऑल्ट्रेशन करना है, सो प्रीवियसली वी सॉ मेमोरेंडम के अगर किसी क्लॉज में इफ यू हैव टू मेक एनी चेंजेस, देन व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड? द रिक्वायरमेंट इज you require special resolution ना, minimum 75% majority या 3/4 majority होना चाहिए. So in the similar manner, if any alteration is required in the articles, so खाली special resolution नहीं लगेगा, but a more elaborate procedure will be required as prescribed by Companies Act 2013. Now for example, to alter the name of the company, 9/10 majority should agree. So अगर if you are planning to change the name of your company entirely, तो खाली 3/4 या 75% नहीं, 9/10 of the majority should agree. तो mostly you can say 90%. आपको कितना 90% चाहिए, not 75%. So ऐसे special prescribed procedure लगेगा if you want to make changes in articles. I'm not talking about memorandum. Entrenchment articles can be done at the time of formation of a company or even later on, as in when you run the company. So with this class, we have finished with the introduction part of articles and what are the contents which you can see in articles of association. So if any doubt class in any topic of this you have not understood, please let me know in the comment section. So stay tuned, keep watching and keep learning and studying, children, till we meet in our next lecture. So till then, I stop here for today and thank you so very much for listening to me.